cupcake shop, right? That's what it looked like whenever they were looking around the mall.
So, what do we got? Who's on the list? Fire them at me.
First suspect, Hedda Blumenthal.
Yeah.
You put the little, like, the thing in the cupcakes. How cool! That's like a...
Yeah.
Yes.
I think so.
Yeah, they did.
That's an Easter egg, I bet. Is knowing that that's from Despicable Me 2. Fun! Alright, the girls and I are gonna go in to ride Race Through New York with Jimmy Fallon.
And I regret it.
What are you doing? It's raining outside just a little bit, but the girls and Zach just went to go do Men in Black, so we're just hanging out in the Men in Black store area to kind of keep from getting too wet because we still have half a day ahead of us, and we have dinner at Cowboy Sugar. Just hanging out. Miley's eating some Cheez-Its. We tried to do ET, but ET was closed. A lot of people were really mad about that. But it just happens. Sometimes they're closed, you know. You never know. What else did we do? Oh, we walked around Doggone Alley. It was too crowded to film in there. Like, it was crazy crowded. When you're a little bit shorter, like I am, when you film in crowded areas, you really just get like people's backs. Oh, we did Jimmy Fallon because Ivy really wanted to do that, and I haven't done it yet. And I love Jimmy Fallon, so that was fun. We got front row, which again isn't great for being a little bit shorter, but it was super fun. I love it. Yeah, and since we only brought the one seat and then the riding board, we only have one rain cover. And I was looking at our stroller and I was like, oof, it's looking worse for wear. I gotta clean it soon. What are you doing, Milo? I was just playing with my fan that we got at the carnival yesterday. Yeah. While we're in here, I feel like I need to get one of these for the girls because I love this ride so much, and I hope this ride continues to have longevity, but you just never know. What with them just shutting down like Poseidon's Fury, so I really like Men in Black, and the kids have always loved it. Well, not Milo, he hasn't got ready yet. It's so cute. Alright, we are hanging out here on the steps. This is normally like the road that all the food booths are on for like Mardi Gras and Halloween Horror Nights, because there is Transformers back there. But they're doing shows like constantly right now. I assume because all the like tourist student group season, but it's like 10-minute breaks for these workers. There's a lot of shows going on. So right now they're doing the Maryland one. They just did the acapella one over on that street. Are you okay? But yeah, there's a lot to watch, a lot going on right now in the streets of New York. Hopefully you can hear me because it's starting to get loud. But they recently redid this booth and then the booth on the other side with like new food. I'll go up there in a minute to show you guys. But before it was like super basic, like hot dogs, pretzels. But now they actually have like unique things. Like at this one they have, I think arepas, cheese arepas, and then empanadas, and flan even. And then of course the Coca-Cola Freestyle, but it's pretty cool. On the other side, I know they have like a apple dome cake. I'll show you guys in a minute, but yeah, I love that for them. It's like a unique eating experience. That's, you know, really quick and easy to grab. Oh no, I don't think so. They're the best freestyle machines because there's never any line. It's right to the right of SpongeBob SquarePants. I swear, it's like, I think because nobody can see them here because of the wall. Never anybody here. It's amazing. And they always have ice.
Yeah, I'm filling that one up for us to go to the...
We are here at Halfish and it just started raining, so they had to close all the little sunshades. But we got our drinks. I got the Summer Breeze. It's got sake, New Amsterdam gin,
I got you fried pickles.
something
They're coming.
else, lemongrass, and boba. And then Zach got the Samurai Desperado. And I think it's got like tequila and cherry brandy. Yeah, they're pretty good. Pretty strong. Dangerous. Very good. They're just waiting for our food. Alright, we got some fried pickles. They're really good. And then it came with ranch and then like the spicy sauce. But it's not that spicy, but it's yummy. Milo and Ivy both got the Ninja Nuggets and fries. Ivy got hers with edamame. We got the Diane's OMG roll. Zach got a burger. And I'll got 2 mini burgers. And I got the chicken cucumber ranch sandwich with a side of ranch. Looks so good. They definitely had a different audio track this time, right? I'm not crazy. It was like all onomatopoeias and alliterations. Onomatopoeias. Well, I don't remember doing one like that. So do they switch them? Do they have like multiple ones that they run, do you think?
Or it's by the cart.
I've never realized that because we never rode it consistently enough. It's just interesting. Still fun ride, right, Pen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it boring? Yeah, okay. I still think it's fun.
But it's fun to see the views.
Yeah, right? You can see all of it.
Most of it.
Most of it, yep. Alright, Penelope, salute Poseidon's Fury. It just closed down. Forever. It was, I believe, an opening day attraction and it's gone. R.I.P. Poseidon's Fury.
I've never rode it.
You rode it when I think you were little, because there's not really riding. You walked through it. It is like a show, isn't it?
But they had a show also in the theater up here.
Oh yeah, that they don't use anymore. That was Sinbad, wasn't it? No, was that something else?
Oh, no. Oh, got short still.
Ooh, yep. Alright, we think Penelope might be tall enough to do Velocicoaster. Zach doesn't think she's quite at it, but we're gonna go over there and see. You ready, Ben? You wanna go see?
Mom, what is that for?
Oh, cut.
Yeah, he said that she'll cut the line when she's tall enough now.
She said I get a cup.
That's good.
A cup too. That's pretty cool though, right? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Until 4 to use that.
So the team member gave this to Penelope because she was about an eighth of an inch shy. He said she can bring it back when she's finally tall enough. And then she gets to cut the line. So that's really cool. We'll see how long it takes. It's up to 5 people. It's exciting.
If you just be like somebody, like,
We don't have enough people to do 5.
Probably just tile swap, we'll all cut together and then
no,
you can
it's
ride it
not.
with mommy and
Like,
then...
wait, let's see. Please, Daddy, please, Mommy, but 3 plus 2.
Oh my goodness. How was it?
Yes.
Oh, we were hoping to part of the new pass holder lounge, but we didn't quite get in time. Unfortunately, they're only open from 11 a.m. until 4 p.m. And yeah, we didn't get over here until like 6. So that's all right. We'll go in next time. Still looks cool though. There's something about walking through Islands of Adventure or Universal, honestly, at like twilight when the sun's going down. It's not like as packed as peak day. Amazing. So this is another one of those updated food stands. I know you can't really see the screen, but they have like hot dogs, potato knish, Bavarian pretzels. They even have roasted peanuts in a shell and chili cheese dogs. It's like good. Probably closing up for the night though soon.
Okay? Tell me. Now. Mom, action. Mom, say a word.
I don't know where Storm Cups is. Yeah. Here.
Up ahead. It's up ahead, okay?
Okay, let's go up ahead. So if you guys have ever watched my Universal vlogs, you'll know that this is like a must-do ride for Zach and the kids. Honestly, more the kids than probably Zach. But he's right there, sorry. He puts up with it, you know, because he knows how much that they love it. I can't do it though. I get way too motion sick. And yeah. So, if you like super spinny teacup rides, this is the ride for you. If you're like me, however, and even just looking down at your phone while you are in the car makes you sick, this might not be the one for you. But you know what? It's still fun, and we love a themed ride here at Universal. We love Professor X, we love the X-Men, all that, Storm. Yes, and it's right by Hulk. Also, I've seen a lot of stuff on the internet about how people are trying to get Tron reservations to do Tron at night. But I tell you what, the Hulk is one excellent coaster to ride at night. It's all lit up green. It's just stunning. It's an amazing ride to ride at night. So if I could pick a roller coaster to ride at night, I feel like it would for sure be the Hulk versus Tron. 2 different parks, I know that, but just giving my 2 cents there.